Hello. You need to learn how to sign in to your new school email. Go to gmail.com and click Sign In. Here you will type the username that I sent you. It has go and then numbers. Your numbers are different. Use the email I sent you for your numbers. Next, type in the password that I sent you and click Next. Here you will receive a message. Just hit Accept and it will ask you to create a password. So you need to make a new password. Please make sure you remember the password. You must type the password twice. Make sure it is the same password. And then click Change Password. Here you have your new email. And this is the email that you should always use for class. To go to Google Classroom, you click here and choose Classroom. There you will see the work.